Hey guys, it's Deja Spectacular. So today we're going to be doing a YouTube video. Today's my first YouTube video, and I'm going to be talking about slime. Most people think that slime is the most greatest thing you can have, even a phone. It's actually in fourth place, the best thing you could have to play with. But when it comes to little kids, they cannot play. So let's get on to the video. By the way, if you hear back noises, it's that one. Yeah. So, and cars. So, here we go. This is the slime. Oh my gosh, it's so gooey. And most of the people poke it because other people want to hear it, I guess. I guess it's more interesting, and I don't blame them because it's very poking. And some slime does not poke because they're too soft.
No, it's not here. It's in the color house.
You see? This is called my raindrops. Well, it's called droplets. This is my droplet slime. It looks very shiny because of the light. Let's see if I can move the light a little bit. That looks good, kind of. I little kind of got blind. So this is it. Looks very shiny. And I made this like 3 days ago. So yeah. So this is gonna be my whole slime collection video. Let me just close that out. And then I have this. Oh my gosh, no. Alright, so the bowl cracked actually. And there's like some tie, just like the place is tied is not supposed to be. And then here's my eye drops slime putty, kind of eye drops putty. It's most of my favorite. This one's called what should I call this one? I don't know. And I made it with Dawn and eye drops. Not Dawn. Yes, Dawn. I should call this one Snow, just because it's like a little bit blue. It's a little bit white and it looks like snow, but snow is not blue. But no, I should call it Sky. Sky. Because sky is like a light blue, but this not that light. But so yeah, this one I don't know, but I put this in plastic so I can squish it, but just because I do not have a case for it. And I think it just popped. Yep, the case just popped and it's gushing out. This is one of my nastiest slime. So don't mind this one. Eeh. Looks kind of like this one, or more harder consistency. But I made this with tied. Not with borax, just tied. So yeah. I think I have more. I'm not sure. Let's keep it going. Let's do this fast because I'm about to die. Oops. Then I have this slime. It's kind of hard also, because I had this for a long time. And the smell is spectacular. It's not really stretchy, but you see, it's kind of like a squishy material. So yeah, but I'm still gonna keep it just because it's kind of good for keeping. So, do I have more slime? I don't think so. No. So, guys, I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe. And comment questions, whatever you want, and I'll answer. And make sure to like this video. Bye. Don't forget to stay amazing and awesome.